Imagine the city as more than just a street and a building. It's a living, breathing space waiting for us to engage, to play, to truly see. Walking isn't about moving through it. It's about becoming part of it, blending in, leave the mark at the same time. Leave no trace behind. The only trace is acceptable in an urban environment is our resource, our vigilante, our ability to make others feel comfortable. Working in a group connects us to others, building a shared memory, a shared step. Each stride become a conversation. Each street a canvas for new idea. Together, we are building connection across familiar places, making them feel a little bit more like our own. Our own pace, pausing to take the view, playful touching texture of the old art, installation, mural. At this space, the city invites us to be playful, break from routine to let our curiosity lead. We joy in exploring without a plan, finding small surprise in every day space. You don't need agenda, just a sense of wonder and a willingness to see things differently. Join us.
But we do the same thing together. Right? So we find a common ground. You walk in for your head. If you walk for your mental health. If you walk in for whatever the reason is. Oh man, the why is like the most broader platform you can possibly operate. That's why it's important. What we feel, what we eat, what we hear.